The summer course this year is entitled Stories Written in Stone, The People Who Built Scotland. It takes place on the 15th to the 19th of June 2026 at the UHI Perth campus. The reason that I'm in front of Inchcolm Abbey is it's a great example of different ways that the stories of Scotland and its past have been told and retold over the years. Inchcolm itself, its name comes from Inishcolm, which became associated with Columkill or Columba and the earliest days of Christianity in Scotland. And so the monks who lived in Inchcolm would have become very familiar with the great stories of Columba and his deeds during battle with the water beast of the river Ness, for example. And then in the 15th century, the abbot of Inchcolm, Walter Bower, actually wrote the Scotichronicon, which was one of the foundational accounts of Scotland's past. So the story of Scotland was being written and rewritten on the island behind me.